Dave Miller here with Good Ski Technologies, and we're going to show you today how to replace the buckle clasp, the other side of the PowerShell, opposite of the buckle where it connects. So same operation as the buckle side, but there's two, you see two screws on this side. So again, same as the other, you get a little pliers and you hold the inside so it doesn't spin, and then you turn, undo it. They're Loctited in, so you want to make sure you hold it or it'll just spin. Okay, same here. And then when you get it out, there you are, you'll see it has a little retainer, metal retainer, just for strength so it doesn't tear. And then you put it back together the same way. You put this in, should put Loctite in the threads. Get Loctite at your automotive supplier store so the threads, the screw doesn't come loose. Oops, this goes in first, like that. So that's why there's a big one here, little one in the back. The big one is meant so you put this on first. Big one is, and then the little one goes in the back. Sorry, this way, from behind. Okay, Loctite in the threads again. Otherwise your buckles will be falling off on you when you're skiing. That's not good. Okay. Now we're going to put the second, the little one in. Again, same process. Loctite it. Get your screw in. And now you have to use your pliers because it spins on you, as you can see, if you don't. Okay, good. Now we'll do the front one. Okay, that's how you change either side, same operation, but that was the buckle clasp side. This was the buckle side, which we did in an earlier video. That's how you change